Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's look I'll be creating this beautiful bold eye makeup look because it's almost party season. So let's get started. So I'm starting off with foundation, and the foundation that I'm using today is Lotus's Eco Stay foundation. I'm in shade Fawn and it just feels so amazing on the skin because this is a serum infused foundation. So the next step is the makeup fixer, and I'm using Lotus's finishing makeup fixer. I love using the fixing spray in between my cream products because it gives me that nice dewy finish. Also, it's a very lightweight and non-sticky formula. So now that the foundation is set in, the next step would be to go for concealer, and today I'm using Lotus's Eco Stay concealer. Now all the products that I'm using today are from Lotus, and this is a very beautiful concealer, and the shade I am in is nude beige. We do not want our concealer to budge, and to set it I'm using Lotus's Pro Edit Silk Touch powder in shade Cashew. This is a very beautiful mattifying compact powder. I've used it to set my under eyes and eyelids. So now comes the fun part, which is eyeshadow, and I'm using Lotus's Butter Lip Creme in shade Bold Terracotta, which has a bit of orange undertone to it, as you can see. I'm using it on the outer corners of my eyes and then dragging it just a little bit of inside near the inner corners of my eye and blending it really well. I really love the formula of this lipstick because it is ultra smooth. Also, it is highly pigmented. The color payoff is intense, and the creamy formula makes it super smooth to blend as well. So as you can see, both my eyes are set, and now I'm going to go in with the next step. And for the next step, I'm using Pro Edit Silk Touch matte lip color, and the shade I'm using is Silky Rouge. Now it's a beautiful deep red shade, as you can see. I somehow love these kind of reds. Also, the formula is so amazing that it glides like a butter because it is infused with shea butter and olive butter. The color payoff is also intense. I've taken the color and placed it on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm dragging it in the crease line as well and slowly blending it outwards as well as inwards. Now that the placing of the product is done, I'm taking this nice fluffy brush and blending out all the harsh line and harsh edges, if any, and gonna repeat the step on the other eye as well. So my next step is quite interesting step, and I'm using the Lotus's Pro Edit Glow Strobe Creme, and I've taken the product on my fingers and I'm applying it on the inner lids as well as dragging it a little bit on the middle of my lid and placing the product for that shine. Now to intensify my eye makeup even more further, I'm using the Lotus's Blush Duo Highlighter, and I'm using this champagne gold highlighter and placing it in the same place where I placed my Glow Strobe Creme earlier, and as you can see, that is shining like anything. So when I thought of an eye makeup, I couldn't actually think anything beyond gold and pink, and I can see how beautifully this look has turned out right now. I'm really happy the way the eye makeup is looking. What do you think about this eye makeup combination? Please do let me know in the comments below, and let's go ahead. As we are focusing on the eyes, the next step would be to go for kohl kajal. I am using Lotus's Eco Stay kohl kajal and applying that on the inner lower lash line and outer lower lash line. And I'm going to intensify it with taking a nice fluffy brush. I have a little bit of the product on the brush and blending it out. You can see a bit of pink that is popping right under my eyes. That's because the brush already had a little bit of the product on it. So now that the eye makeup is complete, the next step would be to go for blush, and I'm using the same highlighter duo blush that I used for my eyes. And now I'm placing the blush on my cheeks. It's a very subtle pink shade that I have used. As I've opted for a very bold eye makeup, I wanted to go very subtle for my blush. And also I'm going to use a bit of highlighter from the same palette and apply it on the highest point of my face. The idea is to accentuate the features even more further, so I've used it on the cheekbone and I've also used it a little bit on the brow bone. So the last step would be to go for the lipstick, and the shade I'm using is Lotus's Eco Stay Butter Lip Creme in shade Divine Brown. It's a very beautiful brown shade, which is an everyday nude brown shade, and I have applied it on my lips, as you can see. Also, I feel these lipsticks are really underrated. You should definitely check them out, as it is infused with shea butter, vitamin E and jojoba oil. I'm just going with the trend these days, so I am opting for the lip gloss, and I have used Lotus's plumping gloss, which is basically a clear gloss, and topping it off on my lipstick to give that nice plumped look. And this is the final look that I have created using all of the products from Lotus. You too can create these kind of makeup looks using all of the products from Lotus. I have already mentioned all the products that I've used in the description box below. Let me know what do you think about this makeup look, and also please do let me know what kind of content do you want to see next on my channel. And I hope you guys do not forget to show some love and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.